Authorities say a Clarksburg man is facing charges following a significant drug trafficking arrest after a search warrant in Belmont County. Detectives say they searched a storage unit in Belmont County on July 26th and recovered more than 450 grams of cocaine, a large quantity of suspected fentanyl, ecstasy, 3 firearms, and about $3,000. Police say the suspect, 46-year-old Tyrell Silas Ascarnisi, was not at the facility but was found and arrested at a separate business in St. Clairsville. He faces multiple felony charges, including trafficking in cocaine, possession of cocaine, and 3 counts of having weapons under disability. The investigation is ongoing, so stay with 7 News and WTRF.com for updates. Another story we're looking for you.